Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about the impact tool, which is an X8 and above, but I'm going to also use the weld and trim tool. When you're in the impact mode, you can trim away the inside or the outside, but you could also do this, and you could do this with other trim items. We're going to bring our heart into the center of our impact design. To do this, you have to go to Object and convert it to a curve, and then click on your heart, hold down your shift key, and click on your impact, and then go up to trim. It didn't look like it did anything, but it did. It trimmed away the heart. So now you have a design inside your impact tool. You can really do this if you have the impact tool, but for people that maybe don't have the impact tool, you could draw these lines. And I might make a video on just how to do that. Anyway, so think about using the trim tool.